First, open the glove box and remove all the contents. Then find the tabs on each side of the glove box and push them in. It will allow you to release the glove box. Pop the entire glove box forward and unclip from the hinges. Remove the plastic panel by unclipping the clips on both sides. Remove the old filter and clean the left debris in the cabin. The airflow direction is from the top to the bottom, so slide in the new filter with gray side facing up. Slide the two tabs at the bottom and push the panel forward to secure it. Pop the glove box onto the hinges. Push it forward and click it into the place. Then lift up the glove box to put the glove box back into the place. Then that's it. Super easy. Visit www.freshenup.ca today to shop your cabin air filter.